In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on General available here. Now tap on About. Select Name at the top and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!